Walking through the streets of the national capital, it's tough to imagine that India is now the epicenter of the global coronavirus outbreak. These scenes are not unusual. Like in this market, in many parts of the country, maintaining social distancing has proved to be a problem in crowded places. Not everyone has been wearing masks. Many who do wear masks aren't wearing them properly, and experts say it's this complacency and fatigue with the coronavirus that's led to a surge in cases nationwide. For 2 days in a row, India has recorded nearly 79,000 new coronavirus cases, the biggest single-day jump posted by any country since the pandemic started. At this rate, India will overtake Brazil in a matter of a few days to become the second worst-hit country globally. But the government says the surge is a result of increased testing, and the situation in India is not alarming, it says, because the mortality rate is below 2% and recoveries outnumber active cases. But experts disagree. They say deaths are being underreported in many parts of the country. Also, that recoveries will increase as more people contract coronavirus, since most people who get sick do eventually get better. India is also lagging behind 16 other countries in terms of testing rates. So while testing has been ramped up, experts say a lot more needs to be done on this front. Despite the rising caseload, the government has further relaxed lockdown restrictions in a bid to boost a flagging economy. After reopening malls, hotels, restaurants and religious places, it's now restarting urban metro services later this week. Gatherings of 100 people have also been allowed, and some school staff can now resume duty, the first step towards reopening schools. Experts say that with the government reopening large sections of the economy, it's leading people to believe that they don't need to be as careful as they were being back when the pandemic first started. But even as the government eases many lockdown restrictions, it maintains it doesn't want people letting down their guard. And it's this conflicted messaging, perhaps, that many say could be the problem. Neha Poonia, SABC News, New Delhi.
Meanwhile, the latest data